Rate 1 to 10. Just choose one number. Rate the taste 1 to 10. How delicious is it? 10 is the highest, 1 is the lowest. What will be your answer? Or what will be your 10? Wow, very nice. Thank you. If you want more, you can get more.
Yay.
Uy, punong-puno pa nga yung bunganga eh. Ganda. Sarap po. Is it yummy? Wow. Yung damage man yung kinain mo. Sarap.